This is a fully custom website for a local business, built in a single afternoon. No agency, no 3-week wait, no code. I made this one for a local coffee shop, and here's what makes it different from every other AI website you've seen. I didn't write a word of it, and the AI didn't make anything up. It read hundreds of the shop's real Google reviews, pulled out exactly what their customers say is great about them, and built the entire page from their own words. The cold brew people rave about, the staff they love, the vibe they keep coming back for, it's all on the page, in the customer's voice. Not a template with the name swapped in, a page that could only exist for this one shop. And the same AI can do it again for any business, customized to what their customers love. A bit of context on me. I have a deep development background and have shipped real software, so this is not about an inability to build a website. I can. I just know how many hours it consumes, scraping reviews, writing copy, designing, coding, and deploying. Doing all of that by hand for every small business simply does not scale. And these shops are getting left behind by AI. They keep hearing, use AI, but they've got no tech team, no $5,000 for an agency, and no patience for a 3-week wait that ends in the same generic site as everyone else. I could be the bridge, if I had something that could actually do the work end to end, not just chat about it. Because here's the thing. These businesses already have what an agency can't write for them. Hundreds of real customers saying exactly why they love them, right there in their reviews. That gold is just sitting there, unused. So I had an idea, and not just for one shop. What if I could take any business's actual customer reviews, pull out the specific things people rave about, and turn that into a custom landing page written in their customers' own words. Personalized, believable, done in an afternoon, not a month. Do that repeatably, and it's not a favor. It's a service I can sell to every local business in town for $500 a pop. The only problem? Doing it by hand for every client is hours of scraping, reading, writing, and building. There's no margin in that. I needed something that could actually do the work, not just chat about it. That's where MuleRun came in. MuleRun isn't a chatbot. It's an all-in-one AI workforce. The difference? A chatbot answers you, then you go do the work. MuleRun does the work. It runs on its own cloud computer, so it can research the web, build files, design and publish a website, multi-step jobs that take real time, all from plain English. I'm not configuring anything or writing a line of code here. I just tell it what I want and watch it work. I'm going to do this live with a real local business, the coffee shop from the start of the video. Real reviews, real page, and at the end, I'll show you the actual link. Let's go. Here's my first message to the agent in plain English. Go to Sunrise Coffee's public Google profile, read through their customer reviews, and tell me the top themes people consistently praise, with the best supporting quotes for each. Watch what happens. It actually opens a browser on its own machine and starts reading the reviews. This is the part a normal chatbot just can't do. A minute later, it comes back with the themes. The cold brew, the friendly staff, the cozy work from here vibe, each backed by real customer quotes. That's my page copy, and I didn't write a word of it. Next message. Build a clean, modern, single-page landing site for Sunrise Coffee. Use those themes as the sections, feature the best quotes as testimonials, add a hero headline, a star rating bar, and a Visit Us button linking to their Google Maps. Warm, cozy color palette to match the brand. And it just builds it. Real HTML, real layout, real design choices. On its own computer. No template wrestling, no drag and drop builder, and even though I could hand code this myself, I don't have to. And if you can't write a line of code, that's the whole point. You don't need to. I'm describing what I want like I'm briefing a designer, and the designer happens to be tireless and finishes in minutes. And this isn't a throwaway demo page. MuleRun websites come with a custom domain, database storage, and let you build commercial-ready websites with no coding required. That's exactly why I can charge for them. It's a real, professional site I can hand a paying client, not a toy. Review step. Review the generated page and make sure it looks the way you want. If there are any text, spacing, or color issues, I can take screenshots of the problems, upload them to the MuleRun prompt session, and ask it to fix them. I will ask MuleRun, can you just update the Visit Us Today button to just say, Visit Us, see attached screenshot for reference. MuleRun will automatically analyze the screenshots, identify the problems or request, apply the fixes, and regenerate the page. This demonstrates that MuleRun works not only with text, but also with a variety of other input types, making it a powerful and versatile tool for supporting creative work. Once I'm happy with the result, I can publish it. Last step, publish it and give me the live link. It deploys the site and hands me a URL I can actually open. That's the whole point. This isn't a mock-up or a here's how you could do it. It's a real, live page I can send to the business owner right now. And here it is. This is the live page. The headline, the testimonials, the star bar, every word of it came from real customers. It loads on desktop, it looks great on a phone, and the whole thing went from idea to live link in one afternoon, entirely in plain English. For a business owner who thought a site like this meant thousands of dollars and weeks of waiting, this is a genuine wow. Here's the kicker. Because MuleRun runs on its own always-on computer, I can have it check for new reviews and refresh the page on a schedule, so the site stays current on its own. The business gets new glowing reviews, the page quietly updates, and I never touch it again. That's not a chatbot feature. That's a workforce that keeps working after I've logged off. I want to be fair. I love ChatGPT and Claude, and I use them every day. But for this job, there's a real ceiling. Ask a chatbot to do this and you get instructions, or a block of code you still have to host yourself. Even as someone who can write that code, that's still hours of my time. You're still the one doing the work. MuleRun went and did it, read the reviews, built the page, published it. The difference isn't smarter answers. It's that one of them actually finishes the job. And here's the real reason I made this video. This isn't a one-off favor for a coffee shop. It's a business. Even with a dev background, I just turned "this would eat my whole week" into something I can deliver for any local business in an afternoon. Same plain English process, new business name. I package it as a custom, review-driven website, something they could never get from a generic template, and I sell it for $500. The cost to me is one afternoon and a bit of MuleRun usage. The rest is margin. Build the workflow once, reuse it forever, and every local business in town is a potential client. I'm early, and I'm not going to throw fake earnings on the screen, but the model is obvious. This is a repeatable service anyone watching could start running too. The landing page is just one job. Because it's an all-in-one AI workforce, I've also had it pull together market research reports across platforms, generate product images for an online store, build a slide deck, and put together a monthly performance dashboard for a client. All the same way. I describe it, it does it. If it's the kind of work you'd hand to an assistant or a small team, it's worth trying here first. And I got you guys an exclusive deal with MuleRun. Sign up through my link, MuleRun.com, and you'll get 700 free credits as a new user, plus a 50% off Annual Plus promo code. On top of that, join the MuleRun community and you'll get another 2,000 credits completely free. Everything's in the description. Go grab it. So stop thinking about AI as a smarter chatbot. Think of it as a workforce that actually does the work, one you can build a business on. I gave it one afternoon in a plain English brief. A local coffee shop got a website their own customers wrote, and I've got a $500 service I can sell again and again. Whether you want to start a service like this yourself, or just get your own business online, go see what you can build.